and welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Bichos collection. This time it's none other than the Milapede Tigre, or in English, the Tiger Centipede. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like centipedes, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Bichos or Bugs. And guys, this is none other than the Milapede Tigre or the Tiger Centipede. It looks really cool. You can see all of its stripes. Looks really cool. And here it says learn everything about rove beetles. So let's see what's inside here. Alright guys, so here it gives a description, a little description there, and it gives a little bit of information about their habitat. They live in North America, Central America, Asia, Europe, and parts of Europe and Africa. And they have the general observations here. And then there you have the slide with all of the pieces, parts marked, like its head, its legs, that sort of thing. And then here on the side, guys, it gives you the scientific classification for these guys. And mostly on over we see that here it talks about the rove beetles. They look really pretty. They look like living liquid metal kinda. They look really cool. You guys tell me, what do you guys think? Do you agree with me that they look cool or not? But these ones look a bit like a mix between like a scorpion and an ant. I don't know. But the blue one was pretty. And then they entered like Nightmare Zone. Look at that. That's crazy. I don't know. Alright. And here it talks about how they like to live where there's a lot of humidity. And it shows you the different types that live around the world. This time, guys, they have 5 different distinct types that they show you. There is a one called burrito. I don't think I would want to take a bite out of this, guys. I don't think that's a tasty burrito. No. I much prefer the bright, like, metallic blue one. What do you guys think? And here it shows you their main habitats. Let's just turn the page. They look really crazy looking, don't they? I really love the art in the magazines. It's really well done. They really do look like ants. Okay, so here it talks about their main prey. So that would be fly larvae, insects in general, and worms. And then their main predators are birds, spiders. We've unboxed many spiders in this collection. If you are interested in seeing some of those guys, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end of the video. And then next, there's also some insectivorous mammals that go after them. So I guess like hedgehogs and that kind of thing. Very cool. Let's continue on. Here you can see some different types. That one's really pretty. I like this one. And then, ooh, no, look at this one. It's like blue. It's crazy. I love all the bright colors. And then over here, it gives you some puzzles and a quiz, like always. And well guys, that's the end of that. Let's just flip to the front. And now it's time to check out our brand new bug. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so here we have the tiger centipede. He looks really awesome. All black and yellow, and you can see some of his many legs there, as well as his antenna. There you can see even more of his legs. Let me see if I can't get it a bit more in focus. That's the thing guys, is these guys are so very small. Sometimes they're a bit hard to get in focus. Ah, there we go. Oh, back. There's the face. Well, he's a bit curled up. There's the other side. And guys, whereas these are poisonous, they're not deadly. At the most, it would maybe hurt a bit a human, but it definitely isn't enough to like kill anything other than its food. And like to protect itself enough to get away from predators. But well guys, that's the end of that. Tell me, what do you guys think about our brand new bug? Tell me down in the comments below. I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button if you haven't already. And make sure to hit the bell, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, down in the description below, I also have links to all of my social media Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, all of that linked down below. So make sure to go on over and follow me on all of those. I hope to see you guys on there. And guys, of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. You know. I will have his links down in the description below. Well, guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.